Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Boy, feel good to be out here in the mornings, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. Ain't nothing like it. Good morning, I'm Clyde Denver, and welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures, y'all. We are out here at, this is Shallow Farm, you guys, and this place is also in Tarboro, North Carolina, in case y'all guys didn't know. And I'm not here by myself this morning. I have my fellow YouTuber.
Introduce myself.
Yeah.
Hey y'all, my name is Patrick, and my channel is Paul Man Bassing. But I know it's not your first time seeing me because me and Clyde hang out all the time.
We do a lot of collab, you guys. Now, we're missing one person this morning, and that's Matt, or the Backlash Fisherman, as y'all know him. Let's see if we can catch some fish, though, guys. What do you think, Patrick?
Oh, let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's do it, y'all. I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna go with a crankbait this morning. Uh-oh. Oh, man. First fish. That's what it is. Catfish. Man, you know something. Okay, let's get this guy back. Thank you, buddy. Ugh. Another catfish, man. Oh, you kidding me, Patrick? Oh, you look. I don't want to get caught. I don't want to be catching catfish all day, guys. This can't be right. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. That ain't no catfish. What in the world? No catfish. My goodness. Another catfish, guys. What in the world going on? No catfish, guys. Let's get them back in the water. Okay, white perch now. At least I'm out the catfish. Uh-oh, got something. Got something nice. Hopefully it ain't a catfish. Oh, it's a bass. Woo. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He got a whole mouth full of shad this morning in his mouth. Y'all look at this. Look at what he got in his mouth. That's amazing. He got a whole mouth full of shad this morning. All right, let's get you back, buddy. Let you enjoy all them shad in your mouth. Enjoy them, buddy. This is crazy. I've never done that before. Well, okay, you guys, we'll leave a shallow farm. And if you see Patrick, he's packing up and he's moving. So I guess we're going to another place. Isn't that right, Patrick?
Let's go.
Let's go. We'll see y'all at the other place. All right, guys, everybody. Here we go at place number 2 and pond number 2. So let's see if we can get on something. All right. All right, guys. Got on a nice one. Using the red and black young dinger. Let's get this guy back in the water. Not that big, but fun to catch. Let's get him back in the water. Bloop. All right, buddy. Thank you. All right, guys. Get on the little one. Let's get him back in the water. Hey, guys, out here in the middle of nowhere where Patrick got me at. I don't know where I'm at. Don't know how to get home. Fishing this pond in the woods. But hey, check it out. Got on a nice one. Using the red and black yum dinger. You with me? All right, let's get this guy back in the water. All right. Hey guys, these guys ain't big, but they sure is fun to catch. Look at that. Good gracious. Not that big, but fun to catch. Let's get him back in the water. Bloop. All right, buddy.